RV and boat parking, an entertainer's backyard, an ideal location. This is North Idaho. It's made easy. What if your next home put everything you love just minutes from your front door, while also giving you the backyard you've always wanted? Whether it's lake days, camping weekends, or spontaneous North Idaho adventures, this property has the space you need for your RV, boat, and all the gear that comes with living the North Idaho lifestyle. Inside, you'll find over 2,500 square feet of comfortable living space designed for everyday life, family gatherings, and making memories that last. But the real showstopper? This backyard. Thoughtfully designed, beautifully maintained, and ready to enjoy from day one. Imagine summer barbecues with friends, evenings under the stars, and fresh vegetables growing just steps from your kitchen. And when the day is done, slip into the hot tub, unwind, and enjoy your own private retreat. Location is everything, and this one is hard to beat. Walk to your morning coffee at Union, run to Target for last-minute errands, and I mean, you literally could run. It's less than a mile away. Browse TJ Maxx, grab dinner, meet friends. It's the convenience of city living without sacrificing the space and comfort of home. RV parking, boat parking, an entertainer's backyard, an incredible location. This is North Idaho living made easy. Welcome home.